application of 4 works in giving the best possible solution to the client, as well as coming to the best possible analysis of a particular situation of or a person.
Mm.
For example, a disease. So each method will tell you in a different way what kind of diseases can happen to person. Now this is, but here when you combine 3 to 4 methods, and then you reach to a list of diseases, and out of that 2 to 3 will be major. Now,
Mhm.
when you say, okay, these could be the areas where you need to take care of your health, these could be the areas where you need to focus your workout, your food, your diet, your healing, whatever healing, alternative healing that you are taking, your yoga asanas, your pranayamas, then that can be a major game changer in your life.
Mhm.
So you can use it to choose the right direction for your business, right direction for doing your daily workouts. You can also choose it to right direction to sit at your office or workplace, so that in terms of money and in terms of growth, you can get the best out of whatever activities you are doing. You can choose it to, you can apply it to choose the right name, right car number, right bike number, right house number.
Mm.
Even if there's some defects in all of these, you can apply it to make corrections in that as well, in your house number, in your name. You can apply it in your mobile number. You can apply it in the what color of clothes you should wear on a particular occasion. For example, if you are going for an interview, what color clothes you should be wearing to get the maximum out of it. If you are going for an important meeting where lakhs of crores of rupees or transactions are involved, then what
Mm.
color of clothes, what color of shoes, what color of watch, it's endless. You can also use it to select which passwords, if you keep in your mobile, for your mobile or your laptop, or wherever you can apply the passwords, which
Mm.
passwords if you keep within 2 to 3 months, it will start showing you better results in all aspects of your life. So one example I'll give you, and I just got a message when I was on a call from one of my friends. She's also in the numerology class. Now
Mm.
she changed her mobile number 15 days back,
Okay.
and two things were there. One, there were challenges at job. Of course, due to COVID also, we see a lot of companies are cutting down on their expenditure, and hence the load on employees is increasing. So that was one thing. But
Yeah.
apart from that, she is also into many spiritual practices, and she does this tarot reading and akashic reading as well.
Mhm.
So she said once she introduced 2 numbers, and she bought a new mobile number for her business venture. She said, yeah, within 2 weeks, I'm able to see my intuition has gone up, and the
Wow.
issues at job have significantly reduced by 60-70%. It's been a very smooth journey since after Diwali for her, she says. But before that, and she knew that there were many pending tasks were lined up. There were many projects were lined up. Lot of She knew lot of challenges could come once the Diwali vacations are over,
Mm.
because she has been through such phase where she had to work during Diwali also, that is during holidays also, on her laptop. But she says, I don't know what happened, but something happened, and now things are going very smoothly. And so, for example, name correction, readings at certain level, it is also used in predictions, finding out, the major challenges for the person, a
Mhm.
little bit in the qualities of the number. So in all these aspects, Chaldean numerology is applied. And
Mhm.
Pythagorean numerology, which was found by the great mathematician Pythagoras, on whose name this numerology is. So we
Mm.
also cover certain aspects of Pythagorean numerology, where you would know that every individual have a 4 planes of existence, that is mental, emotional, physical, and intuitive, or how they can also correct these 4 planes from their life just by introducing certain letters or numbers into their life.
Mm.
And it can basically take care of, I would say, a huge amount of healing or transformation which would come just by way of awareness. And a Pythagorean, I teach many techniques to analyze a given name or a given number or a sequence of repetitive numbers from an individual's name, date of birth, and all the aspects. So one more aspect is Chinese numerology, that is your
Okay.
Lo Shu grade, Kua number, and all these things.
Hmm.
So then the difference between these is Vedic numerology. If you learn numerology by
Hmm.
taking Vedic numerology or the readings of Vedic numerology as a base,
Hmm.
it's very easy to learn and understand the numerology in such a way that you don't have to literally even remember the notes. It becomes very easy to give your readings and which are your own readings, which are not taken from any books, which are not taken from any content as.
Okay.
So when you apply the Chaldean, a lot of complication is removed from the numerology. Whereas when you bring both Pythagorean and Chaldean, especially Pythagorean, then there is a lot of complication gets involved,
Ah.
especially for the name correction. First and very foremost thing in a person's life is determination. If they don't have determination, for example, somebody comes for my course and they are someone who haven't completed any courses in their life. They
Hmm.
pay the money knowing that they will get the recording, they don't end up attending the course.
Hmm.
Now, suppose they apply one remedy whereby we end up completing the determination area of their life. They will not only complete the course, but also they will complete all the homework, everything, and they will also end up mastering this science. So there have been 3, 4 people in my batches who were like laziness raised to infinitive kind of people, and once their determination aspect of life was filled,
Hmm.
then they said, yes, this was a difference which I haven't found. Means I'm running after things, I'm trying everything, I'm tired. But once I applied this very simple remedy, which just takes a piece of paper and a pen, that's it. And I did that. And now I find that I'm determined in life in every aspect of life. Whether it is losing my weight, whether it is following a good food habits, whether it is doing something which will contribute something to my overall life every day, or whether it is discarding something which is not contributing to my life every day. And Chinese numerology is more specific and dynamic when it comes to choosing your direction. Like in the remedy called Kua number, you can have a direction of health, wealth, and growth. And then there are directions called as six killings, five ghosts, and all that. So don't fear. The five ghosts doesn't mean there are five ghosts sitting in that direction. It just means some kind of challenges might come if you do things while facing that direction. So that's where the Chinese numerology comes to your rescue. And apart from that, many times one of the unique aspect is logo designing,
Hmm.
and which can be like you get one client for logo designing, you end up recovering entire cost of the numerology course. Like you end up earning at least twice or thrice because so in that aspect also Chinese numerology comes to your rescue because you get multiple colors to be applied in a company logo, in a company's visiting card, even in the interiors of the company, right from which color of cabs a company can keep.
Hmm. Yeah,
One
that's
of
really amazing.
one correct one of the person who had learned numerology course with me ended up getting a quote from one of the Fortune 500 companies,
Wow.
and
Awesome.
she recovered 150 times of the course money just
Wow.
from one client, and she got so much of work. She said, even if I do this for one company, I am like a genius in numerology. Even if you would have tried certain healing modalities, or if you would have learned certain healing modalities and you would have applied it on yourself, just by combining numerology and using that modality in a particular order, you will see the impact of your healing session can go 10 to 50 times more.
Hmm.
So you can also apply it with your existing healing modalities which you are practicing. For
Hmm.
example, if you would have tried Reiki, Lama Fera, or Omkara with Ali, any other healing modality,
Hmm.
so you can combine it with that, or any modality where there are symbols are drawn, the energy is sent, colors are used. Yeah, so the special, or I would say the major aspects that I'm covering in the Numerology course are basically there are more than 100 points of this numerology technique which will be covered. There
Hmm.
are more than 27 plus kinds of remedies that you will get to apply so that you can target same situation from multiple ways. And once you start doing that, you can see very quick and magical transformations in your life.
Hmm.
Learn apart from learning all the major practiced techniques of the numerology worldwide, you will also learn how to decipher uh, impact of any number in your life, plus even decide right time for doing particular activities, which is one of the very important part. Because as you said, disease or relationship or money or anything, but when you see the trend of your past and you realize that you have been doing the major important things at times where they might not give you good result, so then over the period of time it's not going to improve. So that becomes one of the major aspect or area where the right time to start things,
Hmm.
which in this course I cover not only from year, month, or day, but it is also we also go till the detail of an hour or even minutes. Or I'll give you one example. Like one of my friend, he bought a mobile phone in Diwali. Okay, and we all know that many people say that Diwali are the days when you don't need to see the muhurtas. Diwali or Dashera, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
by default, it's a good model. He bought it, he lost it. He bought the second one after 2 days.
Hmm.
That also broke down.
Okay.
And when I said, okay, tell me the time when you bought it, I went back, did the calculation, and I found out that he had bought both the mobile phones at the wrong time. So he bought it at such time. And then I suggested him one time that mobile phone he bought. So at least by far he's doing good with that. And I generally buy my mobile phones considering those times. So I have, uh, record like whichever mobile phones are by far I hardly remember any mobile phone I have given to the service center for repairing. So even there you
Hmm.
can apply the time remedy.
Hmm.
Another remedy is of missing number filling remedy in your date of birth. So in numerology, there's something called as numeroscope or numerology birth chart. And
Okay.
once you see that birth chart, everybody, so all of us do in our birth date, in our date of birth, month of birth, year of birth, including century,
Hmm.
we have certain numbers missing. So these missing numbers becomes our lessons or weaknesses in life, for which we have to try hard to get those qualities in life. So once you do the missing number filling remedy, that can give you the magical results in your life. It's like people say, many people, that this was the thing which I was waiting for my life, waiting to see the transformation in my life. That level of
Hmm.
thing it can bring in your life. It can correct a programming which has been there since years.